On a Saturday in a rural school in southern Taiwan, 3 plastic bottles, a few straws, and a hot glue gun became a full talent lab. Each team had 3 students and 1 playout talent volunteer. The instructor did not walk them through every step. Instead, the students watched a short video of a self-powered fountain in action. Then, they received a stack of picture cards showing key moments in the build. Planning the steps, preparing bottles and caps, connecting straws, assembling the structure, and finally making the fountain spray. The only brief was simple. Use the pictures, talk as a team, finish in the time you have. While the children argued over sequence, divided tools, and tested their ideas, the volunteers stayed mostly silent. Their job was not to teach, it was to observe. Using a structured 9-stage observation form, they watched how each child behaved. From the first planning talk to the final group report. For every stage, they rated specific behaviors on a 1 to 4 scale. Not yet shown, shown with guidance, shown independently, or shown consistently at a high level. During planning, they noted who proposed a clear process, who made sure everyone had a role, and who helped settle disagreements fairly. When students prepared bottles and caps, they looked at fine motor control and attention to safety, and whether anyone asked, "Why are we doing it this way?" as they punched holes and aligned parts. As straws were joined and bottles assembled, the volunteers tracked logical reasoning and spatial awareness, time management, and how teams recovered from leaks, crooked joints, and failed tests. When the fountains were finally tested, some worked on the first try. Others didn't spray at all. For playout talent, this was the most valuable moment. Volunteers observed who suggested changing water levels or angles, who tried to control variables and compare results, who stayed calm through repeated failure, and who quietly spotted the real problem in the system. Later, in group discussions, they recorded how students explained the mechanism, named their fountain, evaluated cost and safety, and reflected on what they had learned and how they would improve it next time. After the event, these micro-observations were not left as raw notes. For each child, playout talent converted scores into a simple radar chart across 5 domains: creative exploration, social-emotional skills, personal self-management, cognitive learning skills, and sensory motor abilities. A short written summary described clear strengths, areas to keep watching, and gentle ideas for future growth. Always framed as, "This is one snapshot from one activity," not a permanent label. Parents received this report as a reference. Separate from school grades, one volunteer described the day as
一场别开生面的科学实作研习会,
emphasizing that success or failure of the fountain was secondary. What mattered was how children used logical thinking and collaboration to solve problems step by step. That is exactly the core of the playout talent system. Use real, hands-on challenges. Keep instructions minimal. Let students reveal who they are in action, and give families and schools a clearer, evidence-based view of each child's developing potential.